My daughter hair was extremely dry, no shining, no softness, just rough and breaking. I almost give up, my people, but I decided to try this simple kitchen mask. And what happened next? I was not really for it, my people. I don't know how I'm going to explain to you people. Please watch this video to the end so that you also will learn a big lesson from here. And the ending, you will see what's happening next. So let's start with oats. I'm putting 3.5 tablespoons of my oats. We are going to make a oats milk. So while I put the oats inside, I will definitely going to blend it while it's in the dry way like this. You can also blend it while your oats is still dry, or you can soak it and blend it. So I blended it now. It's time for me to add water into it. So you can see the amount, the powder that I got. So it's okay for me, whether you do it this way or you soak it before blending it. So my queens, right now I'm putting water. I added water into it. I'm going to just stir it like some 2 to 3 minutes, and I strain it and add the next ingredients inside. So now while I'm straining it, can we go ahead and talk about the oats milk? Oats is deep moisturizing dry hair, is smoothing, freezing, and adding shining to your hair. Oats is also strengthening weak strands. Oats is also having nutrients like vitamin B1 and B12, zinc, iron, and antioxidant. It's inside oats. So using it for your hair, especially those who have a lot of breaking, dryness hair. So this hair mask, I don't know whether I'm going to tell you that it's good for you to use it or it's not good. You have to watch this video and decide to yourself. So after straining my oat milk, I added cornstarch inside. As you guys can see, I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I strain it. I stay it small because I don't want to get lumps. But definitely after you make it this way, even you have to strain it again because of lumps. So now I put it on the fire. When you put it on fire, please try to make it a low heat, because if you don't make it a low heat, you can get a lot of lumps. Is it lumps that they are calling it? Some ball like this. I don't know how I'm going to mention it to you people. So now I make it in the low heat and I'm started to strain it, staying it, because otherwise also it can burn. And when we are making hair mask and that one also burn all the nutrients, it means you have to throw it away and make new one. So right now I bring it from the fire. I'm going to use my sieve to strain it again because of the lumps. As you guys, when you are watching the face, you can see there's a lumps inside, so I need to get a very smoother taste. So that's why you need to strain it again after you remove it from the fire. So let's check and see the cornstarch. Cornstarch is making hair silk and soft instant while you are using it. Cornstarch is also helping to detangle your hair very easy. It gives relaxing, smooth looking naturally. Cornstarch it also have carbohydrate. We all know that. So it's very important and it's good to use this hair mask. So but there is but there. Let's continue later. After doing it this way, my next ingredient after straining it, my next ingredient is sweet almond oil. As you guys can see, I put 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil inside, and now I'm adding my vitamin E oil. Sweet almond oil is also repairing damaging hair, promoting hair growing, and reducing breaking. It's having minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, omega-9 fatty acid is inside sweet almond oil. So it's very good. It's also helping hair to moisturize naturally and adding natural shine to your hair while you are using it or adding it, whether you are using to infuse oil or use it to add inside your butters or hot oil treatment. treatment, sweet almond oil is very, very good. So after adding my vitamin E oil also is boosting hair growing, it's repairing scalp damaging and adding shining and thickness to your hair while you are using vitamin E oil. So it's very, very good. So this type of the things while you are doing your hair mask, you don't need to miss it, because I want you guys to see the ending of the video. What happened to my daughter hair? This is not going to end there, because I'm definitely going to apply to my daughter. So let's get to it. Now you guys can see how my daughter hair is looking. Very dry, rough, right? That is how you are seeing it right now. Me, if you are not seeing it that way, that's what me I'm seeing. I'm just seeing dry hair, rough hair right now in front of me. So, but this simple kitchen hair mask is going to transform my daughter hair completely. My people, talking is not my hobby, but I have to do it. You need to watch to the end. That is what you are going to, the ending that is going to shock you a lot, because it has shocked me, and I know it's going to shock you too. So let's check and see, honey, why I'm applying it to my daughter. But before you apply this hair mask, please, I need something important from you guys. Always make sure to wash your hair thoroughly. Whether you have opened your hair or your hair is in the protective style and you want to use this hair mask for yourself or for your children, please wash your hair thoroughly. Wash your hair, shampoo it very well to make sure that your scalp, your hair is clean before you apply this hair mask. Of course, if you want a good result, and I know that you cannot waste your time to do this without waiting for a good result from it. So make sure to wash your hair. When you wash your hair, let's say you wash your hair in the morning time, by evening time you are going to apply it and you feel like your hair is dry, try to hydrate your hair first before you apply it. And if you anytime when you just wash it, let's say last night you washed it last night, this morning that you are going to do it, when you wake up your hair was dry, you need to hydrate your hair. Let it be a little bit damp, not too much watering, okay? Because the hair mask is containing water already, but just make it a little bit damp and apply your mask to it. I washed my daughter hair this morning, but I just say no because it's not take even up to 2 hours, okay? So her hair, I didn't dry it, nothing. I just wash it and leave it like that. So her hair is still, there's still water inside her hair. That's why I say no. I don't need to hydrate her hair again. If not, normally I have to hydrate her hair, but the hair is already damp. So I'm just applying it to her like that. So let's check and see honey. Honey also is locking in moisture. It's having natural humidity. It's also making hair soft and shiny. Honey, it helps with dry scalp. Honey is also having key nutrients. It's having vitamin B, antioxidant, and asthma. It's inside honey. It's very, very good. Did you try any expensive products before? Me, I'm not. You can see this is not expensive product, no salon product, nothing like that. I just say oat. Yes, you heard me right. Oat, the one that most people are eating it, okay? But today, I'm using it on my daughter's hair. I'm just using it for my daughter's hair to transform her hair. This combination is very, very powerful, my people. It's very, very powerful. First, I made the oats, as you guys can see how I did. I did everything step by step for you people to see. Mix everything, and now I'm applying it. So now we haven't go anything, but as soon as I started doing this thing, applying it to my daughter, I felt different. I feel so different. This is so wonderful. I don't know how I'm going to tell guys. Let me know, will you like to try this on your hair or your children hair? This is so amazing. This is so amazing. My daughter also love it, and it's so silk, it's so, oh my god. I'm just wondering why I did not start this thing earlier. I saw one of our sister, she live in UK. Almost all her treatment is oats. Sorry sister. Yes. But I said, what is the secret of there is something inside. That is one thing that when I see any of my co-workers, those also doing hair care treatment, consistency using something, I know there is something. I know, because the person cannot use something that there is no benefit. And before you post video on YouTube, it means you have benefit something on it. That is why you are posting their video. If you don't benefit something, you will not allow anyone to see it. So anytime I'm watching her videos, anytime when I say, what is the secret? This time around, when I see my daughter hair is so rough like that, started breaking because she started school. As you guys can be seeing the videos nowadays, what my daughter is doing, coming back home, she will change her outcome, make her hair neat. Once she will come back with a lot of detangle, sand, whatever. She will put everything inside her hair. Her hair is not doing well as the way her hair was doing. So I said, no, I have to find a way, because I need to protect her hair by myself. I have to use myself and protect her hair. And that is what we are doing now. This hair mask is really crazy. So now I'm going to allow her sit for 20 to 25 minutes so that I will go and wash her and bring her back here. Guys, do not go far away, because I want you guys to see the result of this hair. This is, is so amazing. It's so amazing. You people see how her hair is looking. You wait, I'll be right back. I'm not going far away. She's saying bye, but we are going to come back again. She told me that she wants to sleep, but I will not allow her sleep, because I want her to come back here again. My people, imagine, see my girl hair. See my girl hair. Now look at this. Look at this. This is the result of oat milk. So soft. It makes her hair very soft, so smooth, that shining, no dryness, nothing. I'm actually speechless. This thing surprised me, seriously. I love when I do some treatment and I saw my daughter hair, the changes on her hair is making me joy. Please, if your hair is dry like this, you need to try this. Tell me in the comments below. Will you like to try this hair mask? Oats, cornstarch hair mask. Would you like to try it? And do not worry about the oils that I put inside. You can add any oil of your choice. The honey also, you can add any honey of your choice. If you don't have honey also, you can add maybe grizzly. If you don't have the grizzly, maybe you can skip that part, because this alone is already doing the work. Oats and the cornstarch alone, those two things is enough. It's enough. See how they shine, my people. Please just be honest with me. See my daughter hair now. Oh my god, I love this hair. Thank you very much, my people. Please, if you really love this hair mask and love natural hair, can you do me a favor? Subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Please, if you subscribe, you have to turn on the notification bell for the future videos, so that anytime when I post video, YouTube, they will notify you for you to know that Princess and her mom, they are online or they post something. And also kudos to that our sister, the person, because for her there, I think I'm going to give her the queen of oat mask, because for her videos, oh my god, I can't count. And also let me know, will you love to try this for your hair or your children hair? Let me know in the comment section. Or have you ever tried oat mask before? If you try it, let me know in the comment section. And your first time experience, I really want you to share your first time experience with us in the comments below, because this is my first time experience. And normally I usually try something before I apply it to my daughter, but this time I didn't do like that. Anyway, bye bye, we love